MSC Cruises has become one of the fastest-growing cruise lines in the world. With massive new ships, prices lower than many competitors, and a rapidly expanding presence across the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, and beyond, more travelers are considering MSC than ever before. But here's the reality. Not all MSC ships deliver the same experience. Some ships are packed with cutting-edge entertainment, beautiful design, and incredible value. Others receive recurring complaints about outdated facilities, overcrowding, food quality, and inconsistent service. Depending on which ship you choose, your experience with food, entertainment, crowd levels, cabin quality, and even customer service can vary dramatically. That's why many experienced cruisers say choosing the right MSC ship is just as important as choosing the itinerary itself. So today, we're ranking the top 7 MSC cruise ships based on passenger reviews, onboard features, overall value, and guest satisfaction. And stay until the end because we'll also reveal the one MSC ship that consistently receives some of the most negative reviews and may not be worth your money. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cruise news, rankings, and travel videos every week. Let's begin. Starting our list at number 7 is MSC Divina. Despite being launched back in 2012, Divina remains one of the most beloved ships in MSC's fleet. Passengers frequently praise the elegant interior design inspired by classic European luxury. Unlike some of MSC's newer megaships, Divina offers a more traditional cruising experience while still providing modern amenities. Many guests appreciate that the ship feels easier to navigate compared to larger vessels. The adults-only areas are particularly popular, and many reviewers say the ship strikes a good balance between entertainment and relaxation. Food reviews are generally positive, especially regarding MSC's pizza and pasta offerings. Another reason many loyal MSC passengers continue to recommend Divina is the atmosphere on board. Unlike some newer megaships that constantly feel crowded and overstimulating, Divina tends to offer a calmer and more elegant experience. Passengers who enjoy relaxing by the pool, spending evenings in lounges, or simply enjoying ocean views often say Divina delivers a more classic cruise vibe. The ship was also inspired by the actress Sophia Loren, who has had a long relationship with MSC Cruises. That influence can be seen throughout the ship's luxurious styling and elegant decor. Another major advantage is pricing. Because Divina is an older vessel, cruise fares are often significantly cheaper compared to MSC's newest ships. That means travelers can sometimes book longer itineraries or even balcony cabins for much lower prices. And for budget-conscious cruisers, that can be a huge advantage. However, Divina isn't perfect. Some passengers note that certain areas feel dated compared to MSC's newest ships. Others mention that entertainment technology isn't as advanced as what you'll find on board newer vessels. Still, for travelers looking for a classic cruise experience without overwhelming crowds, MSC Divina remains a solid choice. Coming in at number 6 is MSC Seashore. Seashore was specifically designed with North American cruisers in mind and features larger outdoor spaces than many previous MSC ships. The ship receives high marks for its pool decks, ocean views, and beautiful outdoor promenade areas. Passengers frequently describe the ship as bright, modern, and ideal for warm weather itineraries. Families especially enjoy the water park and kid-friendly attractions. One of the strongest compliments Seashore receives is its connection to the sea. Many guests say the ship feels less enclosed than competing vessels. One feature passengers frequently mention is the amount of outdoor seating and open-air relaxation space. On many cruise ships, outdoor decks can become crowded very quickly during sea days. But Seashore was designed to maximize ocean views and outdoor access. That makes the ship especially attractive for Caribbean itineraries where warm weather becomes a major part of the vacation itself. Another major highlight is the yacht club experience on board. MSC Yacht Club is often described as a ship within a ship, offering private areas, upgraded service, exclusive dining, and a more luxurious atmosphere. Many travelers who try Yacht Club on Seashore say it completely changes their opinion of MSC Cruises. Some even compare the experience favorably against premium cruise lines that cost significantly more. However, some reviewers mention occasional crowding around popular venues and elevators during peak times. Despite those complaints, Seashore consistently earns positive feedback for offering a modern cruise experience at a competitive price. At number 5, we have MSC Grandiosa. As one of the largest ships in MSC's fleet, Grandiosa offers an enormous range of activities and entertainment. Passengers often praise the ship's stunning interior promenade, featuring a massive LED ceiling that transforms throughout the day. Many guests also enjoy the variety of specialty restaurants and bars available on board. The ship particularly appeals to travelers who want plenty to do throughout their cruise. Whether it's live shows, shopping, lounges, or family attractions, Grandiosa rarely leaves passengers bored. Grandiosa is also known for offering one of the widest ranges of entertainment options in the fleet. The ship features multiple live music venues, production shows, themed lounges, and family-friendly attractions spread across several decks. For travelers who enjoy constantly exploring different areas of the ship, Grandiosa offers plenty to discover. The indoor promenade is another major highlight. Many passengers describe it as one of the most visually impressive on any MSC vessel. The LED dome creates changing digital displays throughout the day and night, helping the ship feel energetic and modern. Grandiosa also appeals strongly to multi-generational families. Because of the ship's size and variety of attractions, grandparents, parents, and children can all find activities that match their interests. That versatility is one reason the ship remains extremely popular on European itineraries. That said, some reviewers mention that the ship can occasionally feel crowded due to its size and passenger capacity. Still, most agree that Grandiosa delivers excellent value for travelers seeking a large, activity-packed cruise ship. Taking 4th place is MSC Meraviglia. Meraviglia has developed a loyal following among MSC fans. One reason is its successful combination of entertainment, dining, and family-friendly features. Passengers frequently praise the ship's layout and the wide variety of activities available throughout the day. Reviews often highlight the impressive theater productions and attractive public spaces. Many travelers also appreciate that Meraviglia sails from major U.S. ports, making it accessible for North American cruisers. Recent reviews consistently describe the ship as modern, clean, and packed with dining choices. Meraviglia also became particularly popular in North America after expanding operations from U.S. home ports. For many American travelers, this ship became their first introduction to MSC Cruises. And interestingly, many passengers who were initially skeptical about MSC ended up pleasantly surprised after sailing on Meraviglia. Reviewers often mention that the ship delivers excellent visual design and surprisingly strong value for the price. Cabin pricing is frequently lower than competing ships Royal Caribbean or Norwegian Cruise Line on similar itineraries. That affordability has helped MSC attract many first-time cruisers and families trying cruises for the first time. Another major strength is balance. Meraviglia is large enough to feel modern and exciting, but not so massive that passengers constantly feel overwhelmed. For many travelers, that middle ground experience is exactly what makes the ship so appealing. Some guests report long lines at restaurants during peak hours and occasional service inconsistencies. However, the overall guest satisfaction remains strong. For many MSC fans, Meraviglia represents one of the safest choices in the fleet. Now we're entering the top 3. At number 3 is MSC Seascape. Seascape is often described as one of MSC's most attractive ships. Passengers love the ship's modern design, outdoor decks, and abundance of ocean-facing spaces. The ship offers numerous dining venues, entertainment options, and family attractions. One of the most common compliments involves the ship's visual appeal. Many cruisers describe Seascape as one of the most beautiful ships MSC has ever built. Several experienced MSC guests specifically recommend Seascape when newcomers ask which ship they should try first. Seascape is also praised for blending relaxation with entertainment more effectively than some larger megaships. Passengers frequently mention that despite the ship's size, many public spaces still feel open and connected to the ocean. That's important, because one criticism some modern cruise ships receive is that they can feel more like enclosed shopping malls than actual ocean liners. Seascape avoids some of that criticism by emphasizing outdoor areas and panoramic ocean views. The ship also performs especially well among travelers who enjoy visually modern ships. From staircases and lounges to restaurants and pool decks, Seascape consistently receives compliments for its aesthetics. Travel vloggers and social media creators frequently feature Seascape because of how photogenic many parts of the ship are. While some travelers still report occasional crowding, most agree that the ship provides an excellent balance between size, comfort, and entertainment. For many passengers, Seascape represents the sweet spot within MSC's fleet. Taking second place is MSC World Europa. World Europa represents a major step forward for MSC. This futuristic vessel features innovative architecture, sustainability improvements, and some of the most ambitious onboard attractions MSC has ever introduced. Passengers consistently praise the ship's stunning design. Many describe it as feeling more like a modern resort than a traditional cruise ship. The ship offers extensive dining options, immersive entertainment venues, and a variety of unique experiences unavailable on older vessels. Travel publications have also highlighted World Europa's technological advancements and environmental innovations. World Europa is also significant because it represents MSC's push toward the future of cruising. The ship includes more environmentally focused technology and more efficient energy systems compared to older vessels. As the cruise industry faces increasing pressure to improve sustainability, ships like World Europa may represent where the industry is heading over the next decade. The ship's architecture is another major talking point. Unlike traditional cruise ship designs, World Europa features a more futuristic appearance both inside and outside. Many passengers describe boarding the ship as feeling more like entering a futuristic entertainment complex than boarding a cruise ship. The onboard attractions are also among the most ambitious MSC has ever attempted. From immersive entertainment concepts to massive public spaces, World Europa was clearly designed to compete directly with the newest ships from the industry's biggest cruise brands. However, there is one recurring criticism. Because of its enormous size, some guests feel the ship can occasionally become chaotic in busy public areas. Others mention that service levels can vary depending on how full the ship is. Even so, World Europa remains one of the most impressive ships MSC has ever launched. And taking the #1 spot is MSC World America. World America represents MSC's strongest effort yet to compete directly with the biggest names in the cruise industry. Built specifically with the North American market in mind, the ship combines European style with features American cruisers often prefer. Passengers praise the ship's wide variety of restaurants, attractions, entertainment venues, and family activities. The ship also benefits from lessons MSC learned from previous generations of ships. Reviews frequently highlight improved layouts, better crowd flow, and a stronger overall guest experience. Many cruise experts believe World America currently represents the future direction of MSC Cruises. It delivers the innovation of World Europa while addressing many of the operational complaints that passengers occasionally reported on earlier ships. World America is particularly important for MSC because the North American market is extremely competitive. Cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian already dominate much of the US market. So MSC needed a ship that could directly compete with those brands while still maintaining its unique European identity. That's exactly what World America appears to be attempting. Early reactions suggest the ship offers better crowd flow, improved dining variety, and a stronger balance between relaxation and high-energy attractions. Many cruise analysts believe World America could become a turning point for MSC's reputation in North America. If the ship consistently delivers strong guest experiences, it could convince many hesitant cruisers to finally give MSC a try. And because the ship incorporates lessons learned from earlier vessels, many passengers expect fewer operational issues compared to previous launches. For travelers looking to experience MSC at its absolute best, World America is currently the ship to beat. Now for the ship that repeatedly appears in negative reviews. That ship is MSC Harmonia. To be clear, not every passenger has a bad experience on Harmonia. In fact, some travelers enjoy the ship's smaller size and relaxed atmosphere. However, when looking across review platforms, Harmonia consistently receives recurring complaints that appear far more frequently than on many newer MSC ships. Passengers often describe the ship as feeling old and outdated. Some reviews mention noise issues, limited dining capacity, overcrowding in buffet areas, and aging facilities. Others criticize food quality, service consistency, and entertainment options. One important thing to understand is that older ships are not automatically bad. Some travelers specifically prefer smaller ships because they feel easier to navigate and less chaotic. But passenger expectations in the cruise industry have changed dramatically over the past decade. Modern cruisers now expect larger entertainment venues, upgraded cabins, improved technology, and more dining choices. And unfortunately, ships like Harmonia struggle to compete in those areas. That becomes especially noticeable for passengers who previously sailed on newer megaships before trying one of MSC's oldest vessels. Some guests report that the difference feels dramatic. Again, that doesn't mean everyone will dislike Harmonia, but expectations matter. If you're booking purely because the cruise fare looks cheap, it's important to understand why the price may be lower compared to newer ships in the fleet. One major reason MSC continues growing so rapidly is its aggressive pricing strategy. In many cases, MSC offers lower fares than competing cruise lines while still delivering beautiful ships, attractive itineraries, and a surprisingly strong overall vacation experience. However, MSC also offers a noticeably different onboard atmosphere compared to many American cruise lines. Some passengers love the international vibe, multilingual environment, and European-style entertainment that make MSC feel unique. Others prefer the more familiar atmosphere typically found on cruise lines like Royal Caribbean or Carnival. That difference is one reason MSC often receives mixed reviews online. Travelers who understand MSC's style before boarding usually enjoy the experience much more, while passengers expecting the exact same experience as American cruise lines sometimes leave disappointed. That's why researching specific ships before booking is extremely important. The right MSC ship can deliver an incredible vacation at an excellent value, but choosing the wrong ship for your travel style could leave you frustrated instead. If you want the best overall MSC experience, ships like World America, World Europa, Seascape, and Meraviglia should probably be at the top of your list. And while booking based on price can definitely save money, it's important to understand what you might be giving up by choosing one of the fleet's older vessels. Sometimes paying just a little more can dramatically improve your overall vacation experience, from better entertainment and dining to newer cabins, improved layouts, and fewer crowding issues. The reality is that MSC Cruises is evolving incredibly fast. The company continues investing billions of dollars into new ships, larger entertainment offerings, advanced technology, and major global expansion plans. And with upcoming megaships like MSC World Asia already generating massive attention, competition within the cruise industry is only becoming more intense. That's ultimately great news for travelers because cruise lines are now competing harder than ever to deliver bigger attractions, better onboard experiences, and more value for your money. But now we want your opinion. Do you agree with this ranking? Which MSC ship do you think deserves the #1 spot? And which ship would you avoid completely? Share your experiences in the comments because your feedback could help other travelers decide which MSC ship is right for them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest cruise rankings, cruise news, and travel guides. And if you want to see the future of cruising, check out our next video. These 9 new cruise ships will change everything, where we explore the upcoming megaships that could completely redefine the cruise experience as we know it. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy cruising!